So these are the following types of data that you can enter in MS Access. Okay, first one is text type data. It is used for to store any text or combination of number also that doesn't require any calculation, such as name, address, phone number. Okay, number type of data is that data that requires calculation, and you can store any integer value or decimal values in it. Okay, memo data stores a text and number. Okay, and it is used for descriptive fields, and it can stores up to 65,535 characters. Okay, date and time data type is basically used to mention dates. Okay, dates like date of birth, date of joining, date of retirement, date of leaving. Okay, currency, this type of field is used for currency value or numerical data that is used for calculation. Yes or no data type is used where you have to choose between two options. Okay, only one can be you can select only one. Either you can it can be true or false, or yes or no. Okay, OLE data type is used to embed any object that is created on another application. It can be in Microsoft Document, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay, to MS Access table. Okay, you can embed it from any of other application to MS Access table. Hyperlink data is basically a link that directly take you to the websites, pages and files on the internet, intranet or LAN. Okay, attachment is similar to the attachment that you send or attach into emails. It can be files of spreadsheet, documents and other files. Okay, images too. Next is lookup wizard. It helps you to create fields whose values are chosen from the values in the other table, query or list of values. You can look forward to it with the help of lookup wizard, and the values you can choose from there. Okay, so we will end our class here only.